welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of unique and uncommon edible plants. From the crisp bite of a yacon root to the salty crunch of glasswort, these unusual plants offer a taste adventure. Let's get started. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. Our journey begins with the salsify, a plant whose unassuming appearance belies its remarkable flavor. Its roots release a delicate, oyster-like essence when cooked, hence its nickname, the oyster plant. Next, we encounter the rampion, a plant steeped in folklore. The roots, with their nutty flavor, can be enjoyed raw or cooked, while the young leaves add whimsy to salads. Our exploration takes us to the coast, where resilient sea kale thrives. The young shoots, tasting like kale and asparagus, offer a unique culinary experience. Imagine the taste of the sea, mingled with spring freshness, all in a single bite. We journey now to the slopes of the Andes, where the vibrant oca thrives. Its colorful tubers, ranging from sunny yellows to deep reds, hint at the tangy surprise within. This versatile tuber can be enjoyed raw, adding a citrusy zing to salads, or cooked, bringing a burst of sunshine to your plate. Our next stop takes us deeper into the Andean region, where we encounter the yacon. Its crisp, juicy roots offer a taste reminiscent of a juicy apple crossed with celery. Imagine the crunch of an apple, the juiciness of a pear, and the subtle sweetness of celery. That's the yacon root. We venture into the world of the coyote, a curious squash with a unique taste and appearance. Its wrinkled, pear-shaped fruit offers a mild, crunchy texture. The coyote's leaves and roots can also be enjoyed, adding a subtle, earthy flavor to meals. Our quest for unusual edibles leads us to the skirret, a root vegetable once cherished by European gardeners. Its sweet, carrot-like roots with a hint of parsley offer a unique flavor. Imagine rediscovering a taste lost to time, bringing back the flavors of a bygone era to your modern table. Our journey continues in the Andes, where we encounter the mashua, a plant with a fiery personality. Its tubers, with their vibrant colors and spicy bite, have been a staple in Andean cuisine for centuries. Imagine the warmth of ginger, the tang of mustard, and the heat of black pepper. That's the mashua. We turn our attention now to the good King Henry, a plant with noble qualities. This wild spinach alternative, with its tender leaves and shoots, was once a staple in European gardens. Imagine the earthy flavor of spinach, but with a slightly bitter edge that adds complexity to any dish. Our exploration takes us to the remarkable horseradish tree, a plant whose generosity knows no bounds. Every part of this tree, from its leaves to its seeds, is edible, offering a range of flavors and textures. Imagine the tangy bite of horseradish in the leaves, the crunch of green beans in the pods, and the nutty flavor of the seeds. Our next stop brings us to the sunchoke, a plant whose knobby tubers hide a sweet and nutty secret. These tubers, from a sunflower relative, offer a unique flavor loved in many cuisines. However, be warned, the sunchoke's deliciousness comes with a price. Overindulging can lead to some rather embarrassing side effects. Our journey takes us to the edge of the sea, where the resilient glasswort thrives in salty soil. Its crunchy, succulent stems, with their salty, briny flavor, offer a taste of the ocean in every bite. Imagine the refreshing taste of the sea, all from a plant you can grow yourself. We venture now into the world of cacti, where the prickly pear holds a surprising secret. Its pads, known as nopals, are not only edible, but delicious. When cooked, they develop a slimy texture similar to okra, with a tart, green bean-like flavor. Imagine the taste of green beans, the texture of okra, all wrapped up in a cactus pad. Our search for unusual edibles takes us to an unexpected place, the humble purslane, often dismissed as a weed. This low-growing plant, with its juicy, succulent leaves and stems, is packed with nutrients and flavor. Imagine a lemony, slightly peppery crunch, adding a burst of freshness to your salads and sandwiches. Our final stop takes us back in time to the heart of Native American cuisine, where the groundnut reigns supreme. This humble vine with its starchy peanut-like tubers has sustained generations. Imagine the earthy flavor of potatoes, the subtle sweetness of chestnuts, and the density of beans. That's the groundnut. And there you have it, 15 uncommon edible plants that can add a unique twist to your garden and your meals. From the oyster flavor of salsify to the spicy kick of mashua, these plants offer culinary possibilities. Have you tried any? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.